Welcome to my video. Today, we're going to take a look at the logging industry, from the giant machines to the cutting-edge technology. It's going to be an impressive and inspiring journey, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's get started. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. The powerful chainsaw sliced through the massive tree. The sharp gash widened as the canopy shook violently. There was a cracking sound. The tree began to lean, preparing for a powerful fall. MS500i, a revolution in the chainsaw industry. This is the world's first chainsaw to use electronic fuel injection technology, providing fast acceleration, fuel economy, and optimized engine performance in all working conditions. Ecolog 590E combined with the LogMax 7000C harvester provides a powerful and efficient timber harvesting system. With a powerful engine, precision hydraulics, and advanced control technology, this duo ensures high productivity, great reliability, and continuous work in harsh environments. The John Deere 1110E is a modern wood grabber, equipped with a powerful crane with a flexible grab head, helping to collect and unload wood quickly. The intelligent control system optimizes working performance even on rough terrain. The Komatsu 911.6 with C123 harvester is a modern timber harvester that combines outstanding performance, rugged design, and intelligent technology. With its versatile working ability on a variety of terrains, precise measuring system, and fuel-efficient engine, it is the top choice for professional forestry. John Deere 648H is one of the most powerful log tractors, equipped with triangular tracks for stable movement on rough terrain. With a powerful engine, hydraulic winch system, and superior traction, it is the top choice in the large-scale logging industry. The self-loading log truck combines the ability to transport and collect logs with a powerful hydraulic crane, increasing work efficiency without the need for a separate grabber. Multitech 2025 is a modern firewood processing machine integrated with an automatic cutting spring system, which helps to optimize the production process with fast speed and high efficiency, suitable for professional processing workshops. Bark M20R is a high-capacity wood chipper specialized in processing large diameter logs. With a powerful chipping drum system and advanced hydraulic feed, the machine can quickly crush hard tree trunks, producing uniform wood chips, serving biomass processing and industrial production. Bark M20R is a high-capacity wood chipper specialized in processing large diameter round logs. With a powerful chipping drum system and advanced hydraulic feed, the machine can quickly crush hard tree trunks, producing uniform wood chips, serving biomass processing and industrial production. The Peterbilt 379 is powered by a Caterpillar 3406B engine, a legendary tractor. With up to 425 horsepower and powerful maximum torque, this vehicle can easily transport huge logs across all harsh terrains. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the synthetic timber industry today. From powerful machines to cutting-edge technology and passionate people. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.